Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is...
Magnets.
And this is another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where we show you what comes in the mail. Yeah, and what do we have today? Something from...
USA.
That's right, this is from the USA. Guy contacted me on Facebook about this, and let's crack it open and see what's inside. Well, what we've got here is some stuff. I'll admit, I opened the box. I already tried one of them. So let's look at what we got. All right, so here's the one I tried. This is by Hakubaku. This is their...
Hakubaku.
And it's their Shoyu Ramen. This is really good. It's supposed to be restaurant style, all fancy. It's very basic, but what it does is right. The noodles have a nice restaurant quality to them, and the broth comes out really nice. It's got a nice amount of oiliness to it, nice fattiness to it. Honestly, once you gussy it up with everything, maybe some chashu and some egg, it seems very restaurant-y, so I was quite impressed with this one. And the one I have yet to try, this is their Tonkotsu ramen. I'm really looking forward to this. I love Tonkotsu. Milky, porky, wonderful, creamy goodness. So yeah, definitely gonna give this a try shortly. But yeah, they're preservative free, they're fancy, you get 2 servings per bag, and you can get them on Amazon. So I recommend checking them out. And this has been Hans, and this has been
Magnets.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles
Happy day.
Have a good one.
Bye.